there, I'd like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the Small Town Bucket Bag with Dandelion Floral print. The color here is chalk like saddle. As you can see, if you're looking for something more feminine with a flare, this one does have a design, and I think it has some shimmering things to it. I'm gonna bring this up a little bit. You could see the shine on this. This is a really pretty shine. It does come with a gold color logo here, as you could see, gold color hardware as well. Let's look on the side. It has a gold color hand tag. Let's go take a look on the other side and the bottom of the bag. Now, something really nice about this bag is that on the inside it has 3 different separate compartments, so it's really easy to manage, to organize the bag, as you could see here. Alright, let's take a look on the inside of this bag. This inside of the bag is interesting because it has 3 separate compartments. It does come with just the leather, pure leather, if you could see on the inside lining here. On the first side is just one, and then the other side is, I guess there's no pocket except a zipper pocket in the middle right here. I'm not sure if you could see that. Okay, and it has 2 claps, magnetic claps on both sides. Let's compare this to the size of the water bottle. As you could see here, the dimension of the bag is about 8.5 inches in length, it's about 8.5 inches in height, and about 4 inches in width. The bag is 1 pound and 6 ounces. 1 pound 6 ounces. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.